So some of the things that homeowners insurance would cover you for is fire, lightning, windstorm, hail, vehicle, in case a vehicle comes and crashes. And so you see in the news where they'll come into your yard, somebody comes through the house, pipes breaking, theft, vandalism, malicious mischief. And then there's the liability component to it, and that's in the event that anybody slips and falls, maybe somebody gets hurt in your pool, you have a dog bites somebody. So some things that your homeowner's insurance may not cover, depending upon the endorsements that you might take under your policy, are flood. Flood is the big one. Earthquake. It's, typically if you live out on the West Coast. Vermin. Vermin is a big one, whereas maybe squirrels get into the attic, do some damage. Insects. So you have termite damage, wear and tear, mechanical breakdown. So these are some of the things that may not be covered that you want to speak to your agent about. Maybe you can add those on under a separate endorsement. One of the biggest things that goes overlooked is your jewelry or your fine arts. And a lot of people, after the loss occurs, maybe it was that pipe break and it's coming down the walls and you had some Renoirs on the wall. And people say, well, I have the coverage, right? It's not covered under my contents coverage or my personal property insurance. And that's not always the case. So make sure you do your insurance research when you're selecting an insurance carrier and agent. There's many coverages that you need, and some agencies don't provide, and or some insurance companies don't provide. And I always like to say, just because you have insurance doesn't mean you're properly insured.